Sister in the building. Pour out the bubbles, we holding our liquor down. If it's a problem, I go to the bar and I shut it down. Get out my section, don't bother with it.
It's hot summer day, and you want to take a ride with your car, but your car doesn't have working air conditioning, so you decide to assemble one. There's only one problem. The Climatronic that you are deciding to install, it's not from originally from this car, and you have to make some changes to make it fit. Now that the Climatronic is installed, Caddy's interior needs some more work like sound deadening. Good trick while installing the sound deadening is to make models out of cardboard and take measurements. After the sound deadening is installed, we can move to installing the floor carpet, which is originally from Mark II Golf. When installing floor carpet, I recommend to use spray glue because it is easy to apply and use. After applying the glue, just use something to hold the carpet in place to let it dry. Just reminder that you must apply the glue for both surfaces of the material you are gluing together. When this is done right, you will get much stronger bond between the materials and they will hold together much longer and be more durable. I also recommend to use some carpet clips to hold the carpet firmly in place. Unfortunately, all my footage of cutting and fitting this carpet was corrupted, so I can't show it to you. But here is some footage of the already fitted carpet. in next episode.
Drop.